Ecomhunt for Dropshipping Honest Review, Watch Before Using. Welcome to my review of Ecomhunt for Dropshipping. If you're considering using Ecomhunt, stick around because I'll be diving deep into its features, who it's best suited for, and whether it's worth your time and money. And as always, I've included links to some top products in the description to help you get started. Ecomhunt is a tool designed specifically for dropshippers who are looking to streamline their product research process. Its main purpose is to help you find trending products quickly, so you can focus on scaling your business rather than spending hours digging through endless product lists. What sets Ecomhunt apart from other product research tools is its simplicity and accessibility. The platform curates a daily list of winning products, complete with crucial data like profit margins, selling prices, and supplier links, making it easy for you to make informed decisions. The user interface is straightforward and beginner-friendly. Even if you're just starting in the dropshipping business, you won't struggle to navigate the platform. Ecomhunt provides detailed analytics for each product, including Facebook ads insights, targeting suggestions, and even a breakdown of engagement metrics. This is particularly useful if you want to see how a product is performing in real time and how it's being marketed successfully. One of the standout features is the ability to track products' performance over time. This is a game changer because it allows you to monitor whether a product's trend is rising or fading, which can be crucial for timing your market entry. Additionally, Ecomhunt offers a community feature where users share tips, experiences, and feedback on products. This social proof can be incredibly valuable for those who prefer a more collaborative approach to learning. However, it's important to note that Ecomhunt isn't for everyone. If you're an advanced dropshipper who already has a solid product research process in place, you might find the platform somewhat limited. It's best suited for beginners or intermediates who need a reliable tool to kickstart their product selection and marketing efforts. The curated list is helpful, but it's not exhaustive, so don't rely solely on Ecomhunt for all your product research. It should be one tool in your broader arsenal. In conclusion, Ecomhunt is a solid option for those new to dropshipping or those who want to simplify their product research process. Its straightforward interface, detailed analytics, and community support make it a great starting point. But it's not the be-all and end-all. Make sure to use it in conjunction with other tools and strategies to maximize your chances of success in dropshipping. If you found this review helpful, don't forget to check out the product links in the description. And as always, happy dropshipping.